attention span of the customer is reducing at a very fast pace. Right now it's around 8 seconds. As per Microsoft, in a couple of years, it has reduced by 25%. So you have to be very precise in the terms of reaching out to the customer, using real-time personalization, using experience to the most of it. And when you talk about Middle East market, I see a lot of growth and the customers are turning from CDP to CDXP. So you don't only need a data collection tool, we need a tool which can execute and provide you the experience as well and the interaction that with the customer is happening. It is very important to set goals, concrete goals. How much churn you want to avoid? What is X percentage of it? How much new app installs you want to do? What is the X? Define that X. If you have it right, you will be able to get a good ROI from your tool. Also use a lot of gamification, use nudges, AMP-powered emails to increase the experience. When you have that in place, I think you will get a lot from your marketing tool. It's a great event. A lot of market leaders, speakers. It's a platform where you gain a lot of knowledge and you give away a lot of knowledge. I think it's the best platform for the marketers to come together and celebrate the year and how it's going. So I think it's an amazing place to be in and be part of it.